Welcome to Southwest Florida Scale Model Builder. My name is Jim. Let's get building!
Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name's Jim. This is Southwest Florida Scale Model Builders. I've been having some computer issues, but I've been building during the computer problems. I think I got it straightened out now. And this will be an update on the glory days of drag racing. That's held by Tiffany at Dirt Road Cinderella and Joe at Big Sky Mountain Model Workshop. And I've got a lot of this done. There was a lot of cutting and fitting to make this work. But let me bring you down closer and I'll give you a little close-up of what's going on. Okay? And here we go. All right, it might be a little shaky because I'm holding the my phone. There's the chassis with the engine in it. It's a big block Chevy, iron block. It's got a plug wires distributor. It's got some fuel lines going to the carbs. There's my seat belts. There's the chassis, pretty well done. Drive shaft's not in yet. Engine's not actually glued in yet. But body's prepped, ready for paint. I do my hand sanding, dry sanding. I don't wet sand. Not till afterwards if I have to. It's tubbed. They're homemade tubs. And it's I'm pretty excited about getting some paint on it. First will be a gold base coat and then candy apple red. And then I'll be putting on the decals to make it a Barry Setzer Pro Stock car from the 70s. And that's my short update on the glory days of drag racing build. All right, gonna put you back up on the stand. All right, we're back, and I'll be finishing up now. And thank you for watching and subscribing. And I'm getting real close to that 1,000 subscribers. There will be, like I said, a giveaway once I get to that 1,000. And with that, I'm going to say peace, take care, happy modeling. Hope everybody's having a great weekend out there. And I'll see you on the next video. Adios, amigos.
See you in the next video. Please like and subscribe.
They forgot about the time when they were young, about the things they did and the songs they sung. But now we got some both young and old, mama. That's rock and roll.